Hello. World of Concrete is wrapping up, and we've had a lot of great conversations about our condensation display. So I wanted to film a quick video and explain this so that we could spread the word and tell the message to some of you guys that haven't been able to come to World of Concrete this year. I think a lot of people know how important it is to keep water out of their basement. Nobody wants to have a leaky basement. And what we have here is a mock-up that helps explain the science of how foundation waterproofing works. The pink board you see here is the Tremco Barrier Solutions warm and dry board. And this manifold is simulating a rainstorm. And as you can see, the rain is coming in and dripping out on and through the board. So the board, well, becomes saturated, giving a path for the water to fall down into the soil. If you look at our display, you'll see that our soil is wrapped on 3/4 of the perimeter with our warm and dry board. Water's coming down, it's filling this whole reservoir up through here. So all of this fiberglass board is completely saturated with water draining down through it. And then what we have here is a simulation of the interior part of your basement. And you can see the temperature here. This is ambient condition, 70 degrees. That's the temperature on the surface of this wall. This thermometer is a thermocouple right on the other side of this wall between the fiberglass and what simulates the basement wall. And you can see that they're just a little bit more than 1 degree apart. Over here on this side, where the fiberglass stops, we have thermocouples in the same positions. But if you look here, 52 degrees. Soil temperature is 55, so we run the water in this display through a chiller to get it down to simulate soil conditions. So the 53 degree water, 55 degree water is coming in. There's a thermocouple right on the back side of this wall, and you can see that the temperature of the water and the temperature of the wall are the same. Because there is no insulation to protect that wall from thermal conductivity, the surface temperature, even though it's exposed to the ambient conditions where it's 68, 69 degrees, it's 5 degrees cooler on the surface of this wall than it is compared to the surface of the wall that has been insulated. A consequence of that is the surface temperature of the wall is below dew point, and as you can see, this wall has significant condensation. The condensation is not rainwater leaking through the wall. The Watchdog waterproofing stops that from happening, but when you combine the tough and dry with the warm and dry board, you actually elevate the surface temperature of the wall, preventing the condensation from forming, keeping an overall better performing system.